Hello guys, I hope you have a best life that you can have. Okay, let's start to create this presentation. Okay, see, it's a great chart type. We can create that. Let's recreate it. At first, we need to create this shape. How I create that? It's really simple. We add a new slide, and in the new slide, we create a tab. Table. We create the table and bring it down. And after that, we hold Control and Shift here. Then everything created, we just need to set the gradient fill. For the gradient fill, we are going to use radical here and also define and these three colors. Okay, everything is created. Now we need to add our text. This text, I just simply write the text. I copy that because I don't want to write the text another time. And the thing is ready. Now we need to add this. For they are just simple rectangles. I'm going to copy everything here and paste them here and send them to back. They are just simple rectangles that we created. This thing is also Overdrive Sunset font and using this effect here. Okay, now we need to create the effect. How we can create this? We just simply select all these three things and bring them down to here. Now we just here set the transition to morph, and we here write, for example, something for better understanding. We write here chart, and for the font I'm going to go with Tahoma. It's a good font also. Chart. And for the shape format, I'm going to use this shape format or better ones like this, and then fill it with this color. Okay, it's good. Now we just simply copy that here and bring it out. Let's see what we created. You see, it's looking very great and amazing. If you like this kind of transition, don't forget to see my another videos and like and subscribe. Until then, have a nice time.